Good afternoon. Well, there's been some mild and wet weather across many parts of Europe during the last few days. Last night, temperatures in Moscow didn't drop below 1 degree Celsius. And at this time of year, both by day and night, we would expect it to be frozen the ground with temperatures well and truly below freezing. But those frosty nights are set to return. These are nighttime temperature charts then, and you can see the blue colours coming right the way down the eastern side of Europe. Whereas out to the west, the nights remain remarkably mild. Just seeing the frosty conditions returning to the alpine regions as we head into the weekend. Well, the reason it's going to be staying mild with us is that we're going to have southerly winds with us. We've already got those southerly winds across the whole of the United Kingdom today, and as you can see through the rest of the week there is no change in wind direction. At times those winds getting quite strong, and we certainly could see some gale force or even severe gale force winds developing during this coming week. Now those winds are bringing cloud in from the Atlantic, and we've seen one massive cloud working its way quickly northeastwards during today. But out in the Atlantic you can see we have got further areas of discrete cloud, and they are associated with areas of low pressure. Those low pressures then will be working in towards us during this week. That means another weather front will be with us during Tuesday. For Wednesday it may just be a drier day, although on these weather fronts we will find some showers turning up. But for Thursday, well, here we could see a potentially dangerous storm system developing down to the south, and that could well bring some damaging winds up into the south of England. Of course, we will keep you updated on that over the next few days until we see the whites of its eyes. We're just going to hang back on that exact detail. Well, for today then, certainly we've seen a lot of cloud and rain working its way northeastwards, followed on by another band of rain during the early hours of this morning, and that rain is still across parts of Scotland. Even down to the south, across Wales and southwest England, we've seen a lot of showers today merging together to give some very cloudy conditions. I think there's going to be little change this afternoon. It will brighten up a little bit further across Scotland as that rain continues to edge northwards. I think on the eastern side of England here we should see the driest weather and the best chance of some sunshine, but for many of us it will remain fairly cloudy. The temperatures today 10 to 14 degrees, so a very mild day. Those temperatures far higher than we would expect at this time of year. For tonight we're going to find wet, windy weather coming back into the west once more, and those winds will touch gale force, gusting to 65 miles an hour through the Irish Sea. The temperatures tonight though no lower than about 7 or 8 degrees. That's all from me for now.